went ahead and got the material for the engine bay. It's a 5x2 16 gauge sheet metal. I went ahead and picked up two just in case. I also picked up the custom frame rails. It's a 6 foot 3x1 inch 1/8 thickness. So yeah, I got that. Got that. It's a little windy, so that's why I'm trying to do too much talking. I went ahead and got the backside where it's going to be covered up, primered. So when I weld it, I won't have to worry about it being exposed with metal. The reason why I do that is just so that through time, if there's exposed metal and moisture gets on it, it'll start to rust. And, well, be kind of useless doing all this work for nothing. So now that it's done, I'm going to go ahead and lay it on there, get it welded, grind it down. It should be done today.
It can be 2 months.
3 months.
Could be.
4 months.
I can see that happening, yes.
8 months.
That's a realistic timeline.
1 year.
I can see that as a real possibility.
So wheel tubs are installed, nice and welded. I had Adley tack some stuff up. I don't know what the heck she was doing here and here, but you know, before I became a good welder, I was a professional grinder, so I know the tricks to get this cleaned up. So I'm not really stressing on how it turned out. I can get that cleaned up pretty good. You can see the difference between hers and mine. I mean, the fact that she's learning, that's pretty cool. The fact that she's doing it, that's cool. So that's that. I'm gonna focus on the details, and then later on, the next thing I'm gonna do is the dash. Gotta work on the dash. So on the dash, it's got the original dash has a lot of cracks. What I'm gonna do is bring it down from the attic, go ahead and lay some Bondo, get it nice and smooth, and then install the flock kit. It's my first time installing the flock kit, so I'm pretty excited to see how that. Curious to see how that's gonna turn out. So my little daily, my Nissan Altima, it's been misfiring lately. I changed the spark plug, changed the coils, and it was doing good. But then after a while, it started misfiring again. Automatically, I assumed that it was the valve cover spark plug seals were leaking. So sure enough, once I removed the coil, there was oil. There's a pool of oil. So got it cleaned out. Got a new valve cover ordered. It's already here. I'm gonna go ahead and get that installed.
Yeah, let's do this, man. Let's go get this money right now.
Okay, you can instantly see the difference between the new one and the old one. See how worn out the seal is, and it's like rock hard. So that's what's causing the issue of oil going into my spark plug housing. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my area for the new valve cover, get that installed. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the spark plug housing, make sure all that oil is completely out, get it nice and clean, pull out my spark plugs, get them cleaned out, sandblasted, and then throw them back in there. And that should fix my problem, my misfiring problem.
Your girl Jazzy and she say I'm perfect. I've done it all, was it even worth it? The foreign was due here today. I'd be lying if I said it was custom. I told these dudes get out my way. I don't play, can't be seen with no busters. By stepping my game up, building my name up. Now these dudes saying I changed up. And then when I came up, it ain't the same. Love, people should come with disclaimers. By stepping my game up, building my name up. Now these dudes saying I changed up. And then when I came up, it ain't the
Valve covers installed. One tip that I want to give y'all installing these valve covers. First of all, Nissan, I've noticed Nissan, you can't buy the seals individually. You have to buy the whole valve cover assembly. I bought this valve cover from Rock Auto for under $40. It only took about 3 days to get it shipped. But getting these installed, you have to be very careful by getting a pencil sharpened needle and kind of finesse it while you're pushing this down, kind of finesse the seal over the spark plug housing. Otherwise, it's going to get kinked up, it's going to get cut, and it's going to leak oil again. So that defeats the purpose. So just be careful when you install that. Other than that, it runs pretty good, and it's good to go.